Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get meme coins, NFTs and airdrops on Solana. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. So in order to get some airdrops, meme coins and NFTs, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and download Magic Eden wallet. Now the reason being, the valuation of Magic Eden is around 1.6 billion, which is a huge valuation, and the Magic Eden airdrop can be similar to Jupiter airdrop. So all you have to do is, once you download the wallet of Magic Eden, you can basically go to Magic Eden and click on mint over here and check for launchpad. And at times there are some free NFTs that you can go ahead and mint over here. Meanwhile, you can also go into a discover section and check all these NFTs if you want to go ahead and buy this. Now there are some extremely cheap NFTs also. So if you go ahead and check the floor price over here, some are like almost negligible, and in mint over here at times you might find some free NFTs, and also in launchpad. Now Magic Eden has confirmed that there would be an airdrop over here. So all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and collect some diamond over here. So as you can see, once you go in the reward section, you can basically buy NFT, list NFTs and make a collection offers on the NFTs. So this will keep giving you diamonds, and then maybe in the future you would be eligible for Magic Eden airdrop. Now the next thing that you can do is you can connect your Magic Eden wallet to Asset Dash over here. And if we go to swap over here, if we swap some coins and tokens on Solana, so basically Asset Dash uses a Jupiter exchange in order to make swaps. So I will leave my sign up referral link in the description for Asset Dash, where you will be getting some points as well as some raffle tickets for free. So once you click on swap over here, as you can see, for every swap you earn these meme coins over here. Now once you complete the swap, then this would be reflected in your my swap rewards, and once you hit a certain target, then you would be eligible to claim this free meme coins and other airdrops. Now they also have something called as a learn feature over here, where you can complete this task in order to get some additional coins and tickets, as you can see. And basically these coins and tickets would be used to farm something called as a super airdrop. So as you can see, all you have to do is you will need to go in games over here. So first thing I will do is I will open the fortune cookie for today. So as you can see, I have won one extra ticket. I will press on continue, and there are some games that you can play over here. As you can see, now some of them will cost you 0 coins, and then there is something called as a super airdrop over here, where you would be eligible for super airdrops. Now I will, for example, I will go and click on this over here, and I am not eligible for this airdrop. Let me check for some other airdrop. Now I am not sure why I am not eligible for this airdrop, because I think I am a gold tier member, or I have been dropped down to silver tier. I am not sure. Let me go ahead and check. Now I am still gold tier. So as you can see, I am eligible for this airdrop. So all you have to do is basically you will need to go ahead and purchase some passes over here. So I will go ahead and buy some passes using the points that I have earned. Now as you can see, I have already purchased some pass, and if I am lucky, if I get selected, then I will receive this super drop over here. Now if you are a DJ and you are into raffles, you can also try a super sweep over here, where you can play these raffles over here and maybe you can earn big. Now once again, none of this is the financial advice. Only do it if you are into raffles and things, because I am not into raffles and I don't do it much. I only bought like only once, I think so, and that also I didn't win. So it's totally up to you. If you want to go ahead and buy it, then only do it. If not, then it's perfectly fine. Now one more thing that you can do is, in order to get some free NFTs, is basically you can create an account on drip.house. Now I've ran out of invite codes over here, as you can see, else I would have given my invitation code, but you can check on the Google or somewhere else where there might be this referral code for drip house. Or if you don't have a referral code for drip house, all you can do is basically you can fund your Magic Eden wallet with 0.1 Sol, and you can get an entry on drip.house. So once you get an entry, all you have to do is you can go over here to the top treasure chest over here and click on this power up over here, and then you would get a chance to open one chest and lock in a legendary or rare for next week collection. So let me go ahead and quickly play this one, and let me check if I have, no, I didn't win the legendary one, so I will click on yes. Now as you can see, you have locked in one rare or better for the next showcase drop on 17th April 2024. So I am eligible for this drop in the future, and what you can do is basically you can go ahead and also claim daily droplets over here. So these are like every 6 hours you can go ahead and claim these droplets. Now Drip is going to do an airdrop by the month of April 2024 end. So, and I think it's a $60,000 worth of airdrop. It's not a bigger airdrop, but still it's a free thing. You can go ahead and basically create an account over here, open this chest, and basically you can claim these droplets and go to discover over here, visit some artist over here. For example, this artist, I like this image, then I will go ahead and do a thank you maybe for 5. Okay, and I will also like, so one droplet. So as you can see, my droplets are used over here, and if you like a certain artist over here, you can thank them and either like them. Now as you can see, the drip house tweet is like we are giving away our LSP balance totaling to 9.3 million, which is currently valued at $60,000 at the end of April. The proceed will be split amongst the top 100 donors. So if you are one of the top 100 donors on this, then you would be eligible for this airdrop. Now there is another airdrop that is happening on Solana. Now this one is also a decent airdrop. Now this is basically a gaming airdrop. So all you have to do is you can go ahead and download this game Honeyland. I will also leave a link in the description where you will get some sign up bonuses if you want to go ahead and play this game. I don't have much time to be honest, but I have played like for 1 or 2 minutes, and the graphics are decent and the game is decent enough. Now I am not sure how long the grind is, but once again there is a chance that you might get this airdrop while playing the game. Now I think the game is free to play, but there are like there might be some in-game purchases that you might have to do in order to boost. Although I am not sure, as I told you, I played only for 2 minutes. You can go and have a look at it. So these are the some of the airdrops and some things that you can do in order to get some free meme coins, NFTs, and also airdrops on the Solana ecosystem. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.